Welcome. In front of me is an Alcatel U5 HD, and today I'll show you how to boot the device into safe mode. Now to get started, you want to hold power key. This will bring up the boot options right here, and what you want to do is hold power off. This will in turn bring up this window right here, reboot to safe mode. Reboot into safe mode. This will disable all third-party applications you have installed, and they will be restored when you reboot again. So let's confirm it by tapping on OK. And while the device is rebooting, I will basically quickly describe what it does. So in safe mode, only apps that basically are necessary are working. Everything else is disabled from starting up. And this is so you can troubleshoot your device. So as an example, if your battery is draining way too quicker than it should be, and then what you can do is boot your device into safe mode and then see if the problem still persists. If it does, then it's high chance that the fault is with the battery and not with the, for instance, device or the system and what's installed. But if, for instance, that problem ceased to persist in safe mode, then that means that you probably have some kind of app that is just draining your battery. And as you can see, we're now back in the Android with a little difference, seeing the safe mode at the bottom. So this is just so you know that we are in the desired mode. And also you can see that widgets are disabled from starting up, so you just have this kind of gray bars. So that is how you boot into the safe mode, and when you're done with it and you want to leave it, all you need to do is hold the power key once more and simply tap on restart, which will take you back to just a normal mode. Now with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.